That's my dinner for the day in Seoul. And you usually always can have like boxes like these. We have spoons and chopsticks. Today it's really rainy, so we put like baskets where you can put in your umbrellas. Unfortunately, Seoul is rainy today. Whatever. It took me a few years to come finally to Banpo Bridge because I took the wrong bus and then I had to go back, and just that happens the first time to me since I'm in Korea. But maybe it's just Seoul things, but now I'm here. Look at that. Wow. Banpo Bridge. It stopped raining. Finally, I'm at this famous place, or at one of these famous places in Seoul. I'm heading to Gyeongbokgung Palace. Oh goodness, you see it there? I just see that it's fucking huge. Look at that. Wow. It's cold though. So it's so huge my camera can't even grasp the whole one. Let's get inside. Okay, this is so nice. Wow. 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 Wait. Today there are so many Japanese tourists. That's so nice. Is it sitting on there? Some spirits, or I don't know what that is though. Looks kind of funny. I love the zoom. Oh goodness. Look how far away I actually am. It's really easy to get lost here. I think I could spend here hours, but I have only 1 hour because I have to leave soon, like my train to Busan. Not the movie train to Busan, my train is soon. Wow, well, that's a map. I feel like I will never reach the end of this area. because I keep going and going and going and going and going. Oh goodness, I should really come here. Oh, I'm just flashed. A slightly less fancy house. Okay, it's a Ochan house, average family houses. So cool. Wow, is it like all the books? Oh Jesus. Oh wow. That's cool. I wonder whether all that stuff that is still here actually like original from that time. These are like guardian poles or like sacred poles, and I have to leave now. So that's full of people now.